Joyful sounds filled the air. With each swing, mischief danced in the heart of the playful creature. Laughter echoed among the trees. A world of color and scent. The diligent little one worked hard crafting a masterpiece of fruit. Sweetness hung in the air, inviting all who passed. Suddenly, the playful spirit lost control. The joyous ride turned frantic. The jungle watched in breathless anticipation. A whirlwind of fruit erupted. Apples rolled, bananas bounced. Heart-sinking, she couldn't believe her eyes. The reality hit hard. All her toil lay in ruins, a lump formed in her throat. Sensing the heartache, a wise friend arrived. With a reassuring smile, he brought comfort amidst the turmoil. Guilt flooded his heart. He took a step forward, gathering his courage. A heartfelt apology brewed within. "I'm really sorry, dear friend," he murmured. Magic sparkled between them, a bridge built of kindness. Together they rebuilt the world. Laughter bubbled as they stuffed fruits with delight. Friendship blossomed through shared labor. With the final piece restored, joy returned. Bright smiles illuminated the canopy. Hope soared like birds above the treetops. They had learned a precious lesson. With forgiveness in their hearts, companionship wrapped around them. The jungle thrummed with happiness once more. New adventures beckoned through the vibrant jungle. Hand in hand, they stepped forward, embracing the magic of friendship.